Top 5 Best Korean Skincare Brands. Korean skincare has become a global phenomenon, admired for its innovation, natural ingredients, and luxurious results. From sheet masks to serums, K-beauty isn't just a trend, it's a revolution that has changed how the world approaches self-care. But among countless products and names, a few brands stand out as true leaders. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best Korean skincare brands that have redefined beauty standards worldwide. Number 5. Laneige, the hydration experts. Laneige has built its reputation around one simple promise: deep hydration. Known for products infused with advanced water science, this brand creates skincare that leaves the skin glowing, plump, and fresh. Its water sleeping mask has become a global bestseller, designed to restore moisture overnight while you sleep. The brand also offers the iconic lip sleeping mask, which hydrates and smooths lips with berry extracts, becoming a must-have for beauty lovers everywhere. Laneige's philosophy is rooted in balancing hydration and radiance, ensuring that skin doesn't just look good, but feels deeply nourished. With its elegant packaging and effective formulas, Laneige appeals to those who see skincare as both luxury and self-care. Number 4. COSRX, Science Meets Simplicity. COSRX is the go-to brand for those seeking minimalist yet highly effective skincare. Its name comes from cosmetics and RX, prescription, highlighting its focus on problem-solving formulas. What sets COSRX apart is its dedication to treating specific skin issues like acne, sensitivity, and dryness. Popular products include the advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence, packed with snail secretion filtrate for hydration and repair, and the pimple patches, which became a viral hit for their ability to heal blemishes overnight. Unlike brands that emphasize luxury alone, COSRX offers clinical results at affordable prices. The packaging is sleek, the formulas are straightforward, and the results are trusted by dermatologists and beauty enthusiasts alike. For many, COSRX is proof that less really can be more. Number 3. Sulwhasoo, luxury rooted in tradition. Sulwhasoo stands at the intersection of ancient tradition and modern science. This luxury Korean skincare brand is celebrated for using natural herbal ingredients, particularly ginseng, which has been revered in Korean culture for centuries and valued for its restorative, balancing properties. The brand's First Care Activating Serum is a global icon designed to balance and prep the skin for maximum absorption of other products. Rich textures, calming herbal scents, and visible results make Sulwhasoo a favorite among those who want skincare to feel indulgent, holistic, and deeply nourishing. Sulwhasoo's philosophy goes beyond beauty. It's about harmony between body, mind, and skin. Every product feels like a ritual, making it perfect for those who see skincare as an art of wellness and a way to connect with tradition. For many, this brand isn't just skincare, it's an experience of heritage, elegance, and timeless luxury. Number 2. Dr. Jart Plus, innovation on display. If there's one Korean skincare brand that constantly pushes boundaries, it's Dr. Jart Plus. Known for combining dermatology with art and design, the brand has become a pioneer in skincare innovation. The Pear Tiger Grass Cream is one of its most famous creations, soothing sensitive and irritated skin with powerful healing properties. Another global sensation is the Ceramidin Cream, which strengthens the skin barrier and locks in moisture. But beyond formulas, Dr. Jart Plus stands out with its bold, artistic packaging and collaborations with creative designers. Its sheet masks, like the Rubber Mask line, have become Instagram favorites thanks to their fun, futuristic look. Dr. Jart Plus proves that skincare can be both clinical and playful, serious about results, but never boring. Number 1. Innisfree, nature meets innovation. At the top of our list is Innisfree, a brand inspired by the natural purity of Jeju Island, South Korea. Known for using eco-friendly and naturally sourced ingredients, Innisfree has built a loyal following worldwide. Its green tea seed serum is an international bestseller, delivering intense hydration and antioxidants to the skin. Other iconic lines include the volcanic pore clay mask, which draws out impurities, and the orchid-enriched cream, which targets early signs of aging. Innisfree also leads with a strong commitment to sustainability. From recyclable packaging to eco-conscious campaigns, it represents a new era of responsible beauty. What makes Innisfree so beloved is its ability to connect nature with modern skincare science, creating products that are both effective and ethical. From the luxurious rituals of Sulwhasoo to the clinical simplicity of COSRX and the natural purity of Innisfree, these 5 Korean skincare brands have set the standard for beauty worldwide. They've proven that skincare can be more than routine. It can be art, science, and self-expression combined. Which of these K-beauty giants is your favorite, and have you tried any of their iconic products? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Snapzo TV, and join us for fascinating top 10s, surprising facts, and incredible places from around the world.